Imagine this, you're a small business owner. You've spent countless hours building your brand, nurturing relationships with clients, and perfecting your products or services. But how do you know if your marketing efforts are actually paying off? How can you measure the effectiveness of your sales team? One key metric that can provide valuable insights is call tracking. By tracking incoming calls, you can determine where your leads are coming from, how they're finding you, and whether your sales team is converting them into customers. So, can you track calls on RingCentral? In today's video, we'll dive into the world of RingCentral call tracking and explore how this powerful tool can help you optimize your business operations and drive growth. What is RingCentral call tracking? RingCentral call tracking is a feature that allows you to track incoming calls and attribute them to specific marketing campaigns or sources. By assigning unique phone numbers to different marketing channels like your website, social media, or email campaigns, you can gain valuable data on which channels are driving the most leads and conversions. How does RingCentral call tracking work? Create call tracking numbers. To start tracking calls, you'll need to create unique phone numbers within your RingCentral account. These numbers can be local, toll-free, or vanity numbers. Assign numbers to marketing channels. Once you've created your call tracking numbers, assign them to specific marketing channels. For example, you might assign one number to your website, another to your social media ads, and another to your email marketing campaigns. Track calls and analyze data. As customers call the numbers you've assigned, RingCentral will track the call and attribute it to the corresponding marketing channel. You can then analyze this data to identify your most effective marketing sources and optimize your campaigns accordingly. Key benefits of RingCentral call tracking. Improved lead attribution. Accurately attribute leads to specific marketing channels, helping you understand which campaigns are driving the most results. Enhance sales team performance. Track call metrics like call duration, hold times, and transfer rates to measure your sales team's performance and identify areas for improvement. Enhanced customer experience. Use call recordings and transcripts to analyze customer interactions and identify opportunities to improve your customer service. Increased ROI. By understanding which marketing channels are driving the most leads and conversions, you can allocate your budget more effectively and maximize your return on investment. Advanced features of RingCentral call tracking. Call recording. Record all incoming and outgoing calls for quality assurance, compliance, and training purposes. Call analytics. Access detailed call analytics, including call duration, hold times, transfer rates, and more. Call routing. Automatically route calls to specific agents or departments based on caller ID, time of day, or other criteria. Call scripting. Provide agents with pre-written scripts to ensure consistent messaging and improve call quality. Real-world examples of RingCentral call tracking. Let's explore a few real-world examples of how businesses have used RingCentral call tracking to achieve their goals. Example 1. Lead generation. A small business owner wanted to increase website traffic and generate more leads. They created a call tracking number and assigned it to their website. By tracking calls to this number, they were able to identify which pages on their website were driving the most interest and optimize their content accordingly. Example 2. Sales team performance. A sales manager wanted to improve the performance of their sales team. They used RingCentral call tracking to track call metrics like call duration, hold times, and transfer rates. By analyzing this data, they were able to identify underperforming agents, provide targeted training, and improve overall sales team efficiency. Example 3. Customer satisfaction. A customer service department wanted to improve customer satisfaction. They used call recordings and transcripts to analyze customer interactions and identify areas where they could improve their service. By addressing these issues, they were able to enhance the overall customer experience and reduce churn. Getting started with RingCentral call tracking. If you're interested in leveraging the power of RingCentral call tracking for your business, here are a few steps to get started. Sign up for a RingCentral account. If you don't already have a RingCentral account, sign up for a free trial to explore the platform's features. Activate call tracking. Once you've signed up, activate the call tracking feature within your RingCentral account. Create call tracking numbers. Create unique phone numbers for your marketing channels. Assign numbers to marketing channels. Assign the numbers to your website, social media, email campaigns, or other marketing channels. Start tracking calls. As customers call the numbers you've assigned, RingCentral will track the calls and attribute them to the corresponding marketing channels. In conclusion, RingCentral call tracking is a valuable tool that can provide you with valuable insights into your marketing efforts, sales team performance, and customer satisfaction. By tracking incoming calls and analyzing the data, you can optimize your business operations, drive growth, and achieve your goals. So, are you ready to start tracking calls on RingCentral? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.